Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I've got something exciting to share with you guys. Okay, so boom, this is what we have here. It's a secret website for shopping. I know most of you have heard of it, but most of you haven't heard of it. So guys, I'm very excited to share with you what I have in this package. Okay, stay close to the video because after that I'm going to teach you the name of the website and how you can even start drop shipping with this particular website. Hey. It's not advisable for me to use my teeth, so where do I start from? What is this? Okay, this is the gold ring. I bought a ring. Let's see if it will fit me. This is the ring I bought. It's a watch. You see, it's a watch, okay, but it's also a ring. But I don't know. Okay, it expands. Alright. So I have a watch ring. I'll be displaying the prices on the screen for you to see. I think it's nice. It's very innovative because you have a ring and you have a watch on it. So there is no need for me to even wear a watch since I have a ring that can tell the time. So let me wear it. I like it, but I'm not a fan of watch. So if you like it, let me know in the comment section. I can give it to you. So one package down. This one, like seriously, on the site it was showed like they showed it on the okay. Let's see. This one is for the gym if you want to raise metals and you don't want to get hit. Okay. It looks neat, but it's very light. I don't know. I don't want to use the word cheap, but it's very light and soft. For raising the metals when you go to the gym. So let me put them on. It's my first time. How do I look? Alright, so let's go to the next package. Oh my god. Look, I ordered for like fake dollar bills and I got a tissue. This is a tissue. What am I going to use a tissue for? I thought they were fake dollar bills, so I can use them for content creation. And I got a tissue. Alright, it's all good. They'll go into the dustbin. And the funny thing, I bought two packs. I'm not going to use this. What am I going to use this for? Okay, we have the mesh nets. I think I should be mentioning the prices so that this is for my hair. Okay. It's not bad. I think I ordered this for 8 reals. Let me check the prices. I'll be writing the prices on the screen because it's very what's in there. I bought this. This is for the this is the roller, diamond roller for gym. Okay, if you want to build strong abs, it comes like this. You fix this. You fix the handles into this, and you roll it. Okay, I think let me try fixing it because I don't know how it's going to work. Maybe if I don't fix it well. should be metal in here. Okay. So this is it. You take this and you put this in here like this. Then you put okay. Then you put the handle here. And we have our ruler. Okay. To build strong apps. I'm not going to use this, but let me just put it here. Okay. So what's next? What's next? Hey, I really ordered stuff, so wow. All this cost me 177 reals. And I don't know if it was worth it. What is this? Okay, this is for gym. Elastic bands, for gym stretch, but they look kind of cheap. I wasn't expecting something like this, but I'll be trying them out. I'll be posting the video side and side for you to see. So what again? What is this? Okay. This is for my handband, like I wear it like this. When I'm playing football, I usually like this. But they are very short. Very, very short. Wow. This one was for 3 reals. So, and I bought two. I have two of them here. Let me leave this. Okay, this is for my jaw massage. Okay, so I can get this line. So this is the jaw gum. This is how it looks like. You put it in your mat, then you massage it with your teeth. So let me first wash it here. I have a cup of water here. Let me first wash it. So after washing it, let me wipe it with my tissue, my $1 million tissue. Okay. There's my dollar tissue. Let me wipe it with my dollar tissue. So guys, it's very painful. So you have to be doing this so I can get this jawline. Okay. All right. Now let's go. I bought this. I don't know. This one is what's moisturizing cream, smooth lift and stuff. Let me just tear it open. This is a cream for my face. I don't know, to moisturize. I don't know if I'm getting the word correct. To moisturize my face. Come on, open, man. How the cream look like? Cream moisturizer. Let me just open it. Right. It smells good. So this is for my face. There's sweat and stuff like that. So my face will look smooth. So yeah. What do I have next? Hey, is that all? Okay, this is resistance band for gym purposes. Hey, the band is not that strong like that. I bought it for my knee. I'm having little issues with my leg when I'm playing football. So just for indoor training, yeah, I feel the strength. Yeah, I feel my abs paining me. Wow, nice. What again do you have in here? Hey, I bought so much. And I also bought a pair of sleeping. I don't know the name. Is it sleeping goggles or goggles? So I can sleep faster. Hi guys. Time. Good night. It's so big. It's so big that lights can pass through here, even though I chose the small one on the app. But it's still good. I can just stretch it up to make it small. So and what again do we have? What is this? What is this? Okay. These are shorts, summer shorts for beach, gym wears. Okay. I like the shorts. I like it. It's giving. I thought I bought three of these or one, but it's too light. Oh, this for gym wears. I like it. Very dry. I like it. It's giving. And I bought this top and down basketball top and down. Let's see. I bought the color orange. Orange. Color orange. I wear it to take pictures, so I'll display it for you to see if it was worth buying. But the texture is good. The texture is not bad. The top is also kind of average, because with the amount of money I paid for this, you don't expect something. This can go here. And what do I have here? Wow, it's too light. It's too light. Very, very light. But like they have expensive one on the app, so I think for this one I got it for, is it 25 reals or, yeah, 25 reals or something. I'll be displaying the prices on the screen. So that brings us to the end of my online shopping tip. So guys, the question is, some of you be wondering which website did I use or which website did I shop this from? Okay. Everything you see here was shopped from Temu. Temu. I don't know if it's operating in the Ghanaian market. I don't know, but it was shopped from Temu, and I'm impressed. Like, the delivery date was very fast. It came in less than 10 working days. I got it, so I'm impressed. And I believe in case you want to shop stuff like this from Temu, check my description. I'll be leaving my link there. You tap on my description, you're going to get a bonus. You're going to get a discount for shopping with my link. So guys, until then, it's a bye-bye. In case you're in Ghana and you can't access this and you want me to shop from here so that I can use your home address so that you get it delivered to you, you can hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, and Telegram. Okay, I'll be leaving all the links in the description. Thank you. Kindly subscribe for more content like this. My name is John Alat once again. It was a pleasure meeting you. But overall, I think the best thing I like, my favorite item, I'm going to go for this. Grow up.